Okay, so to do the extended single crochet, you're going to start off like a regular single crochet, insert your hook into your next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. This is where it changes. We're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through just the first loop that we have. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through the last two. So that little extra chain is what creates the extended part. So again, insert your hook in your next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first, then yarn over and pull through both. So you get a little bit extra height. This is a regular single crochet down here, and you can see it almost looks like a little chain in there. So again, insert your hook in your next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through two. So that's the super fast stitch refresher on the extended single crochet. If you need a longer, more in-depth video, check out my extended single crochet video. Thank you for watching.